or feathering. You got some turtles in there as well. I don't see any gators, but pretty good sized bird there when he takes, especially when he takes off.
You see it, John?
Yeah, right there. I see it. Oh, you got a photo of it.
Redhead or what's that? Fake? Sure would be nice to swim in there.
Now, for about the next maybe quarter mile, it is an area where we did see those manatee on the last trip. But do move around, so keep our eye out and see if they're still here. The one sticking straight up, it's called the cardinal flower. And all the purple ones you'll see, that's called pickleweed. Now, if you're from the north, up north, it's not called pickleweed. It's called pickle rush. Because you can find it in your local garden center because people buy it for their backyard ponds. They don't want to sell you a weed. They want to sell you a plant. They change the name. I know that because I paid good money for it when they had a pond up there. Now, whether it's a weed, I don't know. I mean, obviously, it's probably a plant, but pickleweed is what the official name is. So it's actually nice and quiet. It was we had a lot of boat activity, but usually this trip is a little bit more tranquil. So some of the wildlife that has been scared away starts coming back out. There's a night heron just right in front of the boat going right downriver. Crowned night heron. We usually see them in the afternoons. Probably land, looks like right down here on the right. I'll just stand there. What's that? They stay in the water, yeah.